Hi, I'm Mano. Today we're going to make some chocolate cookies with chocolate. First we need to sieve the cocoa powder and flour. When sifted, add your baking powder, soda and a pinch of salt. Then we mix soft unsalted butter with sugar. When mixed well together, add an egg and continue whisking. Next, add flour mixed with cocoa powder. Continue mixing until you get the dough nice and soft. It should look all brown and no flour bits in it. I use my spatula here to mix it all together. After it starts getting together, put flour on your hands and mix with them. Be patient here, it may take some time until it starts forming a ball of dough. Once you have your dough, take some pieces of it and make smaller balls. These will be your cookies. I make the balls as big as an egg size, or you can make of any size as you want. Don't make them too big though. They all need to cook through evenly. Put the balls on the baking tray. Keep some space between them because they will get larger and may stick together into one giant cookie. Now I will be decorating them with chunks of chocolate. You can use chocolate callets or just crumble a chocolate bar. It can be tough, so ask your mummy or daddy to help you there. Now I will put them in the oven for 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Yay! Your cookies are ready. I enjoyed them with milk. You can try them with something else. Don't forget to share them with your friends and parents. And take some patience and don't eat all of them in one go. I hope you enjoyed my video today. The cookies are nice and crispy.